Hey everybody, welcome back to What We Find Fun. This one's a little bit different. Katie's going to be doing the camera and I'm going to be sitting here opening a big toy I got. So we're doing an unboxing of a Star Wars lightsaber.
This is the Lightsaber Counter at the Star Wars Trading Post in downtown Disney.
I wanted to look at, do you guys have the Clone Wars Ahsoka Tano, the dual ones? Oh, right, well that helps make my choice a little easier. Can I take a look at the Darth Tyrannus hand? It makes me feel better. I won't be spending quite as much there. Do you guys have suggestions for which size to put in the different ones? What are the three?
This one is definitely much easier to make.
So there's 31, 36, and what are the?
Technically, there are 26 inch as well, which is
Okay.
but
And
this one,
Okay, and then there's so this one and the longer one.
Remember how it turns on?
Can I see just the base stuff?
Nope.
I wanted to start collecting these. I kind of wanted to get one of each color with some of my favorite Star Wars characters. The Savi's workshop, where you actually go in and create your own and make it, it has been closed at Disneyland and won't be there until they open back up. So we recently went and there was Star Wars Trading Post where you can buy the ones from different characters from the movie. I was planning on doing the Ahsoka Tano so I could get the blue and green at once. And I just finished watching Clone Wars and it's pretty awesome. So I really liked her in that setup. And then I was going to get the Count Dooku that just came out. It's like a curved one and make that be the red one. And then I thought when I made my own, I would do the purple one. Well, they didn't have the Ahsoka Tanos when we were there. And I was looking and Mace Windu is the only person that has, the main character that has the purple lightsaber. And I actually liked that one more than the Dooku one when I was looking at them. So that's the one I actually went with. So this one is the Mace Windu. You can see the name right there. And then it's got the symbol. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. There's actually 3 blade sizes you could choose from. This one's a 36, so there's a 31, and then I think it's a 24 inch.
26.
Is it 26? 26 inch, that makes sense. And then, so this is not gonna be really played with. It's gonna be more like, might put it up on the wall for decoration for my office. So I went with the longer blade so it'd have a little bit more of the light coming out. So let's go ahead and check it out. It comes in this really awesome plastic case. Let's see here if I can get this open.
James has no nails, so we'll see if he's able to get it.
Yeah, I bite my fingernails if I'd have it. There we go. All right, I got one side. And now, I don't know if these include batteries or take batteries or what it is. Oh, it actually says it on the box. Requires 3 AAA batteries included. Awesome. So, I wasn't sure if I was even going to be able to light it up for you or not. Does include it. And I have to get every last bit of that ribbon off for my OCD. There it goes. So I think you push this button in. Here we go. You ready? There it is. It's pretty sweet. So you can see it's got a lot of gold and chrome. So this is a replica of the one he had in the movie, Mace Windu. And set it out. See if there's anything else with the box. No, it's just the part that comes in, a little warning thing. So that's cool. It's just a little holder for it that comes with it. So we'll see if the batteries are inside of it already. This thing is super heavy. Like, it's probably a good 3 pounds. It's like solid metal. So, I've watched videos. I haven't done this yet, so I'm going to see if I can make it work. So, let's open this up. It says it's for ages of 9 and up, so I think I qualify. I'm a big kid at heart. All right. And it's kind of neat with these is they actually, depending on these work with different lightsabers, but this actually will turn whichever color the lightsaber is. So like his is purple, so it'll be purple, but if I had one that was red and put this into the red one, it would actually go in and turn red.
So one thing that she did mention is if you build your own lightsaber, you get to choose what color of kyber crystal you want, which that's what makes it what color it is, correct?
Yeah. And
so this one though, it comes in purple and you can't change that color out.
Right. And there's online hacks where you can hack into your lightsaber and change them to whatever you want, but I'm just going to leave it with what it is for each one. So you take that plug out, and then there's a little thing inside there. You can barely see it, but it goes in here. There's one little slot that can go in, looks like. And then it twists into place. And I think that's it. Let's see, there's a few stickers I want to take off. Once again, I have no nails. Yeah, and this actually says it's a Savi's Workshop hand-built lightsaber. It actually has the instructions for putting that in. And then it's got a little thing down here that says unscrew the bottom to replace the batteries. So you unscrew that to put the batteries in. All right, let's see it in action. Oh, I don't know if you can see it makes the sound. If you come closer, you can hear the sounds. So yeah, like I said, it's just a big toy. So this will be an awesome collection to my office. Now I think I want to put the lightsaber up on this wall and put them up here across them or get different ones here. So, all right, so let's go ahead and turn the light off. It is dark. All right, Snot, are you from the dark side? Here we go. Oh. Oh, there's a Snotty butt.
It's not any
So
idea.
it really lights up the room. It's cool looking in the dark. I didn't hit it and break anything yet. You can go ahead and turn the light on so you can see the difference with that.
And this is what I have to deal with now. He can screw with me and be 3 feet away from me. We have a problem. Poking my
Yeah, I'm super excited. It's probably way too much money for something that is just going to sit on my wall and I'm going to turn on every once in a while, but it's something I've wanted for so long. So, yeah. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing of the Mace Windu Legacy lightsaber. And whenever I get it hung up on the wall or wherever I'm going to put it in my office, maybe I'll throw a picture on Instagram or something. So you can always, like I just said there, you can always follow us on Instagram at What We Find Fun. We post a lot of pictures and stuff on there. If you like this video, please subscribe. We're just trying to get to 100 subscribers right now. We've only been doing this for about a month or so. So, the more people we can get doing that, if you're enjoying what we're doing, definitely hit the like button and subscribe. All right, well, this is James and Katie behind the camera on this one for What We Find Fun. Hope you enjoyed it. Take care. Thank you.